Alah. Saya tadi ngalun di desa. Hah? Iya. Oh, jarona sa kumaha. Geningan. Bawa korangna bawa. Orangnya bawa.
Oh, jangan bohong mah. Kan mereka ngomongin buaya di sini.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me.
Mau lumut deui.
We meant to be.
Sakumaha jarona.
In the great outdoors.
Sedang lah.
Forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Strike bos. Mantap bos.
You and me
Mantap.
meant to be
Ternyata pindah lokasi ada juga yang
in the great
mantap.
outdoors. Forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors. Forever free.
Ya. Mana? Belah kulon.